How to add website to home screen on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to add some websites on your iPhone home screen for easy access but don't know how to? Then you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Safari and navigate to the website you want to add. Once you're there, look for the share icon at the bottom of your screen. So it's on the middle, on the bottom. Just tap on it. Now scroll down and there you'll find the add to home screen option. So tap on it and then you can even edit the title if you want. So after you're done, tap on the add icon on the top right. And now you can see that the website has been added to your home screen. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.